This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have wallet and a card. Now begin. Walk to a pump that shows the contactless symbol and stop the car. Wake your iPhone or Apple Watch and make sure NFC is ready. For Apple Watch, double-click the side button. You don't need to open an app, just be ready to authenticate. Once done, unlock with Face ID or Touch ID and hold the device with the screen facing the card reader. This starts the contactless authorization immediately. You'll now complete the middle steps. Hold your device steady against the pump reader until you hear a beep or feel a tap. That confirms the communication. If the pump displays a pre-authorization, that's temporary, fuel will finalize the exact charge. Make sure the pump indicates authorization before you lift the nozzle. If the pump requests a pump number or credit selection, enter it quickly. Otherwise, the terminal handles it. Once authorized, start fueling and monitor the pump display for the running total. When you're done fueling, replace the nozzle and the pump will finalize the charge. Your card is billed for the actual amount shortly after. You can get a printed receipt inside or a pump receipt if offered. Also check wallet transaction history for confirmation. If the tap didn't work, first make sure NFC is enabled and your device is unlocked. Restart the phone or watch. If problems persist, pay inside with the same card or use the station's app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.